Abby, what is that? Huh? What is that? She's so cuckoo now. Alright, what's that, Mog? Mog is good girl. She just look. This one is the craziest one. Abby is the craziest one. Hey, B, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah? It's okay, Mama. It's okay, girl. It's fine. That's our neighbor. It's okay. Right? It's okay. So where you going now? Where you going? Huh? Where you going, Momok? I love you. Mowgli didn't really bark. Only Abby. Only Abby is a nuts. She's a sassy girl. Mog is a good girl. Okay, go up. All right. Take a rest. Good girls. Love you both.